The Wells report concluded that Patriots personnel deliberately violated playing rules and deflated footballs before the Patriots' 2014 AFC Championship game victory over the Indianapolis Colts. But Patriots owner Robert Kraft, he doesn't buy it. According to a statement released Tuesday, Kraft thinks the evidence in the report relies too much on independent research and not enough on science. He wrote, quote, "What is not highlighted in the text of the report is that 3 of the Colts' 4 footballs measured by at least one official were under the required PSI level. As far as we are aware, there is no comparable data available from any other game because in the history of the NFL, PSI levels of footballs have never been measured at halftime at any climate. If they had been, based on what we know now, it's safe to assume that every cold weather game was played with underinflated footballs." Kraft wrote that he's going to rely on factual evidence of numerous scientists and engineers rather than inferences from circumstantial evidence. At the end of his statement, Kraft said although the Patriots are disappointed with the results, the organization will accept the findings and accept any NFL punishment.